today we begin with this new topic called magnetism. So legend, what is mu naught upon 4 pi? Is it same as mu naught upon 4 pi equal to 10⁻⁷ Weber per ampere meter? Or is it ampere meter per Weber? Can you recollect a little bit of the last lecture that we taught of yours living as usual? Okay. Kantu, then who else?
These things.
Once he came to a lecture after the break. Suddenly he was standing like this. Oh, those samosas are really spicy. Chalo bhai. To follow. What did we do last time? Did we not do? Uniform, circular motion.
UCM.
Yes. And there is this earth. And satellite. Yes. बस और कुछ मत लिखो. There is a escape velocity जिसमें the satellite will escape the atmosphere and it will be forever lost.
Do this one, Matthew Pereira.
Oh, Bhatia do.
Bhatia.
Okay, Bhatia. So we will just recollect yesterday's lecture where we studied what will be the nomenclature of tertiary butyl chloride. When tertiary butyl chloride is broken down, what happens? It goes to that carbon which is essence in nature.
Part where he catches that guy and someone throws something.
Hey, that I don't know. It didn't happen in with me. Okay, chal, I'll try. So this is what we have to do. Who did that? Who drew that? Who drew that? You out with it. Out with it. Sit down.
Oh man.
ये और भी बहुत थे रे.
Do kadali.
2,2,2 trichloroethylene and it is trichloroethylene and not kadali butyl chloride. Why? Ask, no, why? Pucho. Ask. I don't remember him, man.
Who's the other guy? Vensakar.
Yeah. Yes. Homework submit. Last time we have started with ellipse and parabola and hyperbola. Parabola, the segment that you connect between the two of them is called latus rectum. It's not a biological term. And when you have two or more latus rectum, it becomes latera rectum. Open page number 44. You know it comes after page number 43. All of them at the standard for some reason. And let us now begin with the beginning of this lecture. And as you all know, I am the best professor you may find on Avatramani. That's my name.
Who else is there? There was, who else did we do? Matthew?
Whenever I come near you, you turn the page. So I put one there, you will put one. I'll put a 0, you will put a 0. Think, Baba. We have to think. Tomorrow you might want to get into IIT also. HSC is just not the end of it, you know. And he used to clutter there was one more guy, Mehta used to clutter the board. And where do you look?
Mehta, I remember this guy.
See, what happens is, when you connect the ampere meter here, the current flows and you get a distance and you get a deflection. You note down the deflection, whatever it is. But where in the board you see it, yeah? My God. Total. Horrible.
Awesome stuff.
So best
that was
number one Bhatia.
That was a Peedal mimic ad.